In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add labels in Google Calendar. First, open Google Calendar. You can use any web browser to do this. Simply navigate to the Google Calendar website. When the page loads, you will see a bright and organized calendar layout. It displays your schedule for the month, week, or day. This is the hub for managing your time effectively. By accessing Google Calendar, you can keep track of important dates and events. It's a convenient tool that helps you stay organized. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll want to be comfortable with where everything is located before we dive in. Next, click on an event. This can be an event you've already created or a new one you're planning to set up. When you click on an event, a pop-up window will appear. It contains details such as the event title, date, and time. This is where you can make changes or updates to your event. Clicking on an event is a crucial step. It allows you to access the options needed to categorize and label your events properly. Make sure you have selected the correct event before proceeding to the next step. Now, click the color circle or the change color option. This action is essential for adding visual organization to your calendar. The color circle is typically located near the event details in the pop-up window. When you click this option, a palette of colors will display on your screen. You will see a variety of colors available for selection. This feature allows you to categorize your events at a glance. Choosing a color helps you quickly identify the type of event. This is important because it enhances your calendar's readability, making it easier to manage your schedule. From there, choose a color to categorize the event. You can select a color that resonates with the event type. For example, you might choose blue for work-related events, green could represent personal appointments, and red might indicate something important. This categorization helps create a visual system that works for you. By using colors effectively, you can streamline your planning process. Remember, this step is all about making your calendar more intuitive and user-friendly. For example, if you select blue for work, all your work-related events will be easily identifiable. This visual cue can save you time and reduce stress when looking for specific events. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your calendar organized. Using colors is not just about aesthetics, it serves a functional purpose. It allows you to prioritize and manage your time better. Once you have chosen a color, you will see the change reflected immediately in your calendar. This reassures you that your selections are applied and your event is now categorized. You can close the pop-up window and return to the main calendar view. Your events should now display the new colors you assigned. This instant feedback ensures that you can rely on Google Calendar for accurate organization. In conclusion, adding labels in Google Calendar through color coding is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can enhance your calendar's functionality and efficiency. A well-organized calendar can make a significant difference in your productivity. Remember that these small actions can lead to better time management and less stress. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.